Stop scrolling. Your Google Chrome might be unsafe right now. If you use Chrome daily, these 5 security settings can literally save you from hackers, trackers and scams. Let's fix them in the next 3 minutes. Hi everyone, welcome back to Hello Helper, your shortcut to smart digital life. Today I will show you 5 Chrome security settings you must enable right now to stay protected in 2026. Let's jump in. Step 1. Enable enhanced safe browsing. This setting protects you from dangerous websites, phishing links and harmful downloads. It's faster and smarter than the default protection. Turn this on immediately. Click on 3-dot icon, then click on settings, then find out privacy and security. Then here you will see many options. You click on security and here click on enhanced protection. This is done now. Step 2. Turn on always use secure connections. For example, HTTPS only mode. This forces Chrome to load websites securely using HTTPS. If a site is unsafe, Chrome will warn you. This one setting prevent data leaks. So click on this 3-dot icon, then again click on settings, find out privacy and security, then find out security. Here click on security and then scrolling down and find out always use secure connection. So here you can see that always use secure connections. You simply click on this toggle button. So this will enable. Third, use secure DNS. Your internet provider can track every site you visit unless DNS is encrypted. Turn it on, use secure DNS and choose a trusted provider like Cloudflare or Google. So how you can enable it? You simply click on 3-dot icon, then click on settings, then find out privacy and security, and then click on security. So here you can see the security. Then find out use secure DNS. You simply scrolling down and here you can see select DNS provider. Just simply click on here. You can use Cloudflare or Google. So here we are going to click on Cloudflare and done. This is turned on now. This step, run safety check plus clear browsing data. Chrome's safety check scans for harmful extensions, compromised passwords and outdated software. Run this weekly and also clear your browsing data to avoid tracking and improve privacy. Simply click on this 3-dot icon, then going to settings, then find out safety check. Now click on privacy and security and here you will see safety check. You simply click on go to safety check. So friend, here you can see that my browser is now safe. All things are proper and all things are good. You simply enable it. Now going to clear browsing data. So again click on this privacy and security and here you will see delete browsing data. So simply click on it and here you will see browsing history, cookies and cache images. You can select all the things and then delete data. So this will remove all your browsing history and data. Okay, and now this way you can secure your browser. Your browser is your digital home. Keep it secure. If you want a full playlist on Google Chrome optimization and privacy tools, comment Chrome below, like this video, subscribe to Hello Helper, and stay safe online. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.